Okay, friends, welcome back to our Igbo language class. Today we'll be looking at parts of the body in Igbo language. And this is part 1. There are so many parts of the body, both outside and inside, outer parts and the inner parts. But we're looking at the first part of these parts of the body today. So we're looking at 10 of them. Now I'm going to be showing you, like I can see the graphic of each of them. Then I'll show you, I'll call the English name and then what we'll call it in Igbo language. This is for those children that want to learn Igbo, families that want to learn Igbo, whether you are an Igbo person or not, but you like this language. So this is exactly how it was. Now the first one is Anya. Anya means eye. You could see this eye. Eye in Igbo language is called Anya. Anya. Then we'll have the next one, which is ear. You can see ear here. This ear, we'll call it Nti. Nti. The same way in English language, we'll spell. In Igbo language too, we'll spell. Nti is made up of 3 words. Nti. Nti. Then the third one is nose. You can see the picture here. This is nose. We'll call it Imi. So as you see me reading this, you repeatedly watch this video over time, you get to know all these things, because at least as an Igbo learner, these are basic things you have to know in Igbo language. Now we have head. This is the head, so it's called Isi. Everything you see me reading is the way we spell it, what we call Nsupe na Igbo. Then we have face, which is called Ihu. Face is called Ihu in Igbo language. We have mouth, which is called Ono. We have tongue, which is called Ire. We have hairs. You see it here. It's called Ntutu Isi. Hairs are Ntutu Isi. Remember, head is Isi, but hairs are Ntutu Isi. We have cheek. You know it? We call it Agba. In Igbo language, these are basic English grammar. Now we have neck. In Igbo language, we call it Olu. So these are the 10 in our part 1 of parts of the body in Igbo language, part 1. Learning these parts of the body in Igbo language helps us to talk about ourselves and stay healthy, because these are areas we need to keep clean, keep healthy, and these are commonest used words. So when children are learning Igbo language, maybe Igbo families living abroad, are teaching children, use this video to tell them, at least when they start being able to do this, then they can grow from there. And to learn more, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We're going to bring you more and more everything. By the grace of God, we are experts in this. If you want us to translate English language scripture to Igbo, we'll do that. You want us to translate Igbo to English, we'll do that. You want us to have a special class for your children, for your family, online, we'll do that. And that's exactly what we specialize. So we encourage you to subscribe, hit down with some bell, and don't forget to share this video to other groups where you belong, where people can benefit from this, those who love to learn Igbo. We encourage you to be part of what we do. And if this video makes sense, whether you're seeing it on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on YouTube, please share it. Let's promote our language. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.